Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. I love Lana Del Rey and her songs, and we had her very recently. This time we have her back with a song called Bluebird. Alright, so this is a very nice harmonic song in my belief. We have a couple of chords to go over here, 9 chords. But once you learn them, it's very easy actually to play this one. We will learn a simple strumming pattern that works throughout this song. So let's check this one out, Bluebird. As you can see here, no need for the capo. We're going clean and we're gonna start with the chords. So let's start with C first. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have next the C major 9. Okay, a little different this chord, but it's not too hard actually. It goes 3rd A, 2nd D, 4th G, 3rd B, and open E. And if you think this is a hard chord to grip, then you can actually considering instead of playing the C, playing the C add, okay? So C or C add, it goes like this: 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. That's the grip or C add. You can replace that instead of playing the C, because right after comes this C major 9, and that is just to add this 4th fret on the G string there. So that could be one way to go. Either go with this standard C or the C add version of it, and then comes this very handy right after with one finger added to it. Okay, some technical stuff there, and the C add or C, it doesn't hurt too much either way there, so you can go both ways. Anyway, we're gonna continue with the F major 7. Okay, so that goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. We also have a chord that sounds much harder than it actually is. It's the F major 7 add 6, and it comes right after this F major 7. So what you do here is to do this maneuver, okay? So that gives us 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 3rd B, and open E. So the only thing you do here from the F major is to replace that 1st fret B string with 3rd fret B string instead. Okay, and then we're gonna go on with this E minor 7. Very easy. It's the open E, 2nd A, and then just open strings down there. Open D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D minor next, and it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have the standard G, and it goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have next the A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the C B chord, okay? So it's actually a C but with the B in the bass. So what you do here is to play 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first verse, and yeah, this is actually the first and only verse in the song. What I recommend you to do here is basically to start with just playing 1 down per chord, and you're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds, and the first half of it will be C or the C add, okay? So that's the first chord, and then you add this C major 9 as the second chord. Then comes the F major 7, and then comes the E minor 7. That's the first half of it. The second half is to play again C, and then the C major 9, and the F major 7, and a bigger pause there. That's one round of this chord progression. If you listen to the song, she plucks more from the actual chords, but there's no strumming yet, okay? So it's very mellow here at this point in the start of the song. So you can just start with one down, pauses in between, and you have to listen for the song to get the tempo right there. And you saw in the intro of my tutorial here, I added a couple notes here and there. You can try to aim for that once you get comfortable with just playing the chords as they come. Okay, so you're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds. After that comes the first pre-chorus. We are now about 1 minute and 9 seconds in. For your thoughts are small. That's where we are in the lyrics. Now starts the strumming, and the strumming continues throughout the song till the very end. So we're gonna learn it. So if you grab the first chord, the D minor, one string around will be like this. So you have one down first, and then a short pause, and then it comes down, up, down, up. Okay, so that is one round, and a couple of string rounds goes like this. All right, so we have a chord progression that is D minor, 2 string rounds, E minor 7, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and G, 2 string rounds. That is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds like this. Again, D minor, 2, E minor, 2, C, 2, and G, 2. Alright, so there you have the pre-chorus. And we are hitting the first chords now at 1 minute and 37 seconds in. Find a way to fly. Now we're gonna continue the same strumming, and the first half will be D minor 2, G2, C1, the CB1, and A minor 2. Okay, that's the first half, and the second half will be to play D minor 2, G2, and C4. I'm gonna take you through this. I'm gonna speak to me while I'm playing. We're gonna play only for one this chord progression round. Let's go. D minor, 2, G, 2, C, CB, A minor, 2, D minor, 2, G, 2, and C4. 4. And that is the chorus play. Then it continues with the instrumental part, which will be to play one chorus round more. So you just continue again with the D minor, G, C, CB, A minor, and the D minor, G, and C for one round. Then comes the second pre-chorus actually. Like I said before, we don't play any more verses here. So we're gonna jump right into the second pre-chorus, and it's played in exactly the same way as we learned it. And then comes the second chorus, again played in exact same way as we played these choruses till now. And then comes the second instrumental part, and that is to play the first half of this chorus. So that means you're going to play D minor 2, G2, C1, CB1, and A minor 2. That's the instrumental part. And then comes the outro part, and that is where you're going to use this next chord, the F major 7 head 6, okay? But it starts with D minor 2, then G2, and then you're just gonna alternate the F major 7 1, the F major 7 add 6 1, and then you do that again, F major 7 1, and this add 6 1, and that is how it ends. I try to play this for you now so I understand what's going on. So after the instrumental part, that was the first half of this chorus, you're gonna end with this. And that's the end of Lana Del Rey's Bluebird. A fantastic song. I really like this song. Fits guitar very well and not too hard actually. We have 9 chords, yes, but they're pretty easy. No capo. So it's just to grab a guitar like this, beautiful one and just play. So good luck with this, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.